Oh, hello there. Welcome to the online store. Why don't you come in and we'll see what we can do for you. So I bet you're thinking, what even is the CC3D store? What can I do here? Why am I visiting in the first place? And what can you expect from the CC3D store? All of these questions and more will be answered next. But before we start, if you've got any questions regarding your business or your own individual project, then please do get in touch. At CC3D, we understand that communication is absolutely essential. So we want to give you the confidence before proceeding with anything further, whether this being to make any sorts of purchases, making any orders with us. If you do want to get in touch, then our contact details are in the top right corner, on the drop down menu box, so please get in touch. So let's get to answering those questions. CC3D Store is your gateway to enhance your life or business with 3D digital, 3D scanned or 3D printed products and services that we provide at CC3D. Our products and services can be provided to all Cornish individuals and businesses, as well as all businesses and individuals based around the UK. The online store allows you to see what's immediately available from our advanced manufacturing hall. It allows you to see how much our services or products do cost, and it also allows you to make informed decisions before making any purchases in store. You can choose from a growing range of products and services that can be bespoke to your business needs or individual needs based upon your choices. Or if you additionally choose to, or alternatively choose, there are a growing range of CC3D exclusive products which we are presenting from our 3D printing hub. You may have arrived from a referral from another client, or you may have found us online through a web search, or even through social media. Or alternatively, you could have even met myself or one of our team directly, in which case, hello again. You should expect the store to provide you with a reliable, secure and logical step towards getting you where you want to be with products and services that we can provide to you. We hope that our professional but friendly approach gets you towards your goals as swiftly as possible. So, if you're here, you must be here for one of two main reasons. You may be in need of our specialist services, which are tailored specifically with industrial applications in mind. If this is the case, then you will already be in contact with us, having already placed an order. However, if this is not the case, then we recommend that you select from the services list above and pick the service that is most suited to your individual business or industry, and from there we will guide you through the online ordering process from that page. Alternatively, you may have arrived in store to pick from our CC3D exclusive products or services. If this is why you've arrived in store, then proceed by scrolling down to the store interface below, and we will guide you through how you might want to select, choose and search for specific items of interest, or just to generally have a look through our wares in the store at your own leisure. Navigating the store couldn't be easier, with the options to highlight your individual industry for specific products and services, or alternatively, if you are new to the CC3D store, then type in the product description below for easy access to said product or service. Once at the checkout, please provide your details securely via our point of sales app. Provide your email address for a streamlined experience with both current or future purchases, and to gain access to exclusive content which we will send you periodically. Of course, if we're attending your needs on a face-to-face basis, or at a meeting of your choosing or location of your choosing, then we have the capability of taking card or cash payments via our portable point of sales application. Upon receiving payment, we will send your receipt directly to the email address provided for your business or personal records. So let's create a better future for you and for our community as a whole. Feel free to like, share and subscribe what you've seen here today, or anything to do with CC3D. And we are more than happy to take any queries or questions that you may have with regard to our online store or any of our services that we provide. Thanks for watching, and we hope that we get everything to you as soon as possible. Thank you.